Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought I'd update you on my iPhone 11 purple, which I will be getting in April, in about 8 months time I think. Yeah, 19th of April, which is my birthday. I know it's next year, but I'm preparing myself for the phone. Someone recommended me to go on to Sky Mobile contracts because they're much cheaper for the iPhones, and I've looked it up and it's quite a good deal. It's £20 a month and zero up front, and I'm a Sky customer, so I'll most probably get it free, which I'm quite excited about really. So yeah, I will be doing another unboxing on Tuesday because I bought some things, and I've already bought a case for my iPhone because I really like this case, and I was a bit worried it might be out of stock by then, so I got that a bit early, and that's it really. If you're a Sky customer or you have a Sky Mobile, put down in the comments if you recommend it, or what phone you're on Sky and what you get with the Sky Mobile. That's what I want to know. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.